Hello, we are going to unbox this now. Amazon product. Let us see how it looks. So packaging even around. So that it should be intact. Nothing should be damaged. Ring light. This is going to be the stand. What is there inside? Good. Packing is good. In fact, this product I went particularly because what they said is this is up to 5 feet. We can shoot it because usually our height will be 5 feet, and so that shoot it properly without any problem. Otherwise, there are many other products. And it's adjustability. Mobile holder. In case this way, and this way, you can adjust it. I'm going to keep it vertical, 90 degrees. This is the mobile. Right now, I'm not using it. Whether it is going to be lit properly. Button here now, on/off button is there. Oh, okay. This is good lighting. In fact, this is second color. This is third. Okay, what they have said is correct. So let us see how it works. Whether it works or not, that also we'll check it. Lighting also, electrical lighting, electrical charging.